Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to be showing you guys this installation video on the absolutely stunning Porsche Cayman GT4. I'm going to be walking you around the Autowatch Ghost immobilizer system that we've just installed to it. I'm going to be showing you the features and benefits and how exactly it works on this particular car. I'm going to be stepping into the car right now and show you guys exactly that. So we're now inside the Cayman GT4. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how the product works on a day-to-day basis. We've got the factory key here, we've got the Ghost owner's manual which comes in the kit, plus we've got the manual gearbox on this vehicle, which in my opinion is actually the go-to. But comment below in the post whether you think Cayman GT4 should be in a manual box or the auto box. So I'm going to be starting up the car as though the Ghost product is not in the car. So this is, obviously it is in the car, but I'm going to be showing you guys what happens when you have the product installed and we try to start the car. So we start the car and the vehicle automatically shuts down. It doesn't matter how many times we actually try this procedure, it will always do exactly the same thing. So we're going to be showing you now what it's like when you're actually using the vehicle day to day and how you start the vehicle. Ghost Immobilizer uses sequence of button presses within inside the vehicle to actually basically start the vehicle in essence and keeps your vehicle secure. So at the moment what we've done is kept this to 4 button presses down on the window button. However, this is customizable and we will be going through that and changing that with the customer very shortly. But as you can see, so now we've got the factory key. I'm going to be starting up the car again. So what you do is you put the key in, turn the ignition on, and you press that 4 times. So that is then going to display 2 headlight flashes there. And one of the cool things about this system is completely customizable. These button presses that I've selected here are just ones for demonstration purposes. These are going to be changed and customized, and every single unit is different. As soon as we start the car up now, the vehicle stays started, and that's exactly how the system works. It's really easy to use. So you jump in the car, ignition on, press your buttons, whatever your sequence is, and the vehicle starts up, and you know that your vehicle is now secured from being taken away from your possession. It's a really cool bit of kit. If you want to know more about this product, make sure you head over to our YouTube channel. There's loads of other YouTube videos on this, plus we can provide a quote for you if you drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. So we're all done on the Porsche Cayman GT4 Autowatch Ghost immobilization system. If you're after this product installed and securing your asset, you know exactly what to do. Hit the subscribe button below and also get in touch and we'll get your car booked in and secured. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and we look forward to seeing you soon.